Hi, and welcome to Clappia. If you're building an app that uses the Get Data from Other Apps block to pull information from other apps, you'll know that for this to work, users need access to all the connected apps, and those apps will show up on their dashboards when they sign in. But what if you want your users to just use the main app to pull that information without seeing those other apps in their dashboard? That's exactly what I'll show you in this video. Let's take an example of a ticket management system. Over here, I have created 3 apps. This is the main app that pulls information from these 2 apps, which is Tickets Raised and Employee MIS. Let me show you the main app real quick. So this is the app that users will be using to pull information from the other 2 apps. They can pull employee information using the Get Data from Other Apps block from that Employee MIS app, which I have opened in another tab here. It pulls the information from the submissions. And then I have used another Get Data from Other Apps block to pull Tickets Raised from the other app that I've opened over here. Now I've already given access to all 3 apps to a user. For access, just click on your app, head over to Design App, go to the Distribute tab, User Access, and you can see on the right panel I have just given them Basic Submitter access and done the same for the other 2 apps. So if they log in, they will see all 3 apps in their dashboard: the Ticket Management app, Tickets Raised, and Employee MIS. I'll quickly log out of my account and show you what their account looks like. Okay, so this is their account and there are 3 apps visible to them. Since I've given them access to all the 3 apps, but I only want them to see the Ticket Management app, I don't want them directly accessing the Employee MIS nor the Tickets Raised apps whatsoever, especially since they just need to use this app. The solution is simple. I just need to unpublish these 2 apps. I'll head back to my account again. Since I am the app admin, go to the app that you need to hide. So in this case, it'll be Tickets Raised. Then go to Design App, click on the Distribute tab, then App Publish, and on the right panel, disable this option. I'll do the same for the Employee MIS app. So again, Design App, Distribute tab, App Publish, and on the right panel, disable this. Now, even though these apps are assigned to my user, they will not appear in their dashboard when they log in, but they can still pull the data from them in the Ticket Management app because they technically still have access. Let's test this out. I'll head over to their account again. And you can see only 1 app in their dashboard now. I can still use the Get Data from Other Apps block to pull employee details from the Employee MIS app and the ticket details from the Tickets Raised app, just like before. By unpublishing apps, it does not affect the ability to pull information from that app, make submissions, or anything else. It just hides it from your users from accessing it. Only app admins will be able to see these apps. This way, you can make sure your users have access to the data they need without directly seeing the other apps. If you have any questions on setting this up or want help configuring your app, feel free to reach out to us by clicking on the Request Support button at the top over here. Choose the appropriate option that is convenient for you and we'll get in touch. Thank you.